Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the product. Today, we're exploring Wirex, found at https://wirexapp.com. This platform offers a multifaceted approach to managing your finances, blending traditional and digital currencies in a way that aims to streamline everyday transactions. It's an intriguing concept, and I'm eager to share my thoughts on how it works and whether it lives up to its promises. From what I've gathered, Wirex provides a debit card linked to your account, allowing you to spend both crypto and traditional currencies in physical stores and online. This bridges the gap between the digital and physical worlds of finance, potentially offering a convenient solution for those invested in both. One of the core features Wirex highlights is its multi-currency accounts. This means you can hold and manage a variety of currencies, potentially simplifying international travel and online shopping. Imagine being able to seamlessly switch between currencies within your account, bypassing traditional exchange hassles. The platform also boasts about its security measures, which are critical in the often volatile world of cryptocurrency. Protecting user funds is paramount, and it's something I'll be looking at closely during this exploration. I'll be delving into the specific security protocols Wirex employs and evaluating their effectiveness. Another aspect I'm particularly interested in is the user interface and overall user experience. A well-designed platform is essential for managing finances effectively, and a clunky or confusing interface can quickly become a major drawback. I'll be assessing how intuitive the platform is to navigate, especially for those who might be new to the world of cryptocurrency. Additionally, I'll be examining the fees associated with using Wirex, as transparency in pricing is crucial. Hidden or excessive fees can quickly erode the value proposition of any financial service. So, stay tuned as I dive deeper into the world of Wirex, examining its features, functionality, and overall value. We'll explore the pros and cons, providing you with the insights you need to determine if Wirex is the right fit for your financial needs.